guys, it's me. Wait, let me see if it's on. I think it's definitely on. So today will be showing you our new rented car that we just rented. We got it from Budget. We didn't buy it. We might buy it though. I don't know. But I'll be showing you the car. For example, if you're small enough, you could fit in the cup holder thing. So I have a lot. So there's 3 seats in here at the back. And here's how it looks like. Sorry about the rug there. I'm gonna fix that after I get down. And beautiful handles and stuff. You see that thing? Press it up and down. Secret. Yeah, that's the outside. Okay. It's very clean. Okay. And it's the same on the other side. And the wheel is like that.
I'm the driver.
Yep, my mom's the driver, also my dad. There's the wheel, and you don't need to put your key inside there.
In the front. So your truck in the front, Andrea.
Oh yeah, my dad's in the front.
Look at your truck with your name.
You see that black truck there? No, that one. That one, that's our car. We're just, oh, it has my name on it. Do you see it on the license plate, Andrea? Oh my gosh, that's so bumpy. Okay, you don't need to put your key in. All you do is just press that button there. Focus camera, that button. And it starts. Cool, right? Not really, I guess. Oh, and this car has a window thingy. So you could open it and then the window shows. And then you could see the outside of the top. Yeah. This is super cool. Can you get away? Okay. I don't know what else I saw here, but there's a cute fan, which I don't know what this does. Oh, it's a charger. Mom, did you bring your charger? You could have, and then you get to charge this. Okay, that's cool. Oh, and there's little pouches on the chair. So you see this chair? There's a pouch there, also there. And the back's very cool. You get to see the outside, but it has this thing. Yeah. So that's all I'm showing you today, guys. See you in the next video. Mom, say peace out.
Peace.
Okay, bye.